I'm at Cypress Beach today, about to do a little wade fishing. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. The sky is perfect. It's just beautiful. I don't have my GoPro. I'm gonna have to deal with my phone today and make sure that I don't drop the shit in the water. But oh my god, that water's beautiful though. Look at this. So clear. Oh, the water's freezing. Look at that. Gorgeous. Well, wish me luck, guys. We'll see how the fishing goes. Wow. Beautiful. First trout of the day, guy. Say bye-bye. That was cool. Actually lost like 10 trout today, but of course you didn't see it. I don't have my GoPro, so all in all it was just great to go out and enjoy the day and the water and relax. Go go go. Slow. You want to kill yourself. I don't want to kill myself either. All the way down. So I didn't catch that much fish. I didn't catch that many fish at the Cypress Beach, but I lost like 10. So now I'm trying the canal next to my house and see if I can catch anything here today. So, and Mr. King's with me, right, King? Say hi, King. All right, relax. All right. I just caught me a little pig. Look at that. Hey, little guy. So I caught a trout and a bass today. Isn't that nice? All right, let me get this hook off. Nice. That pig. I got a size 13. It's a big boy. I'm gonna let this guy go and try to catch some more. Look at that. Careful, pull him up. Yeah, just pull it up.
King, move.
King, over here. Oh. No! Yvette.
Dang it. Dude, he hit it right there.
Damn. Next time, Yvette, sling that mother freaker over.
King will move. Yeah, but that thing's got teeth, man. Yeah, man. King will move.
Bad boy. He's like, but I love fish.
Yeah, but that one's got teeth.
All right, good luck over here. I'm gonna go on the other side.
Good luck, man.
Thanks. All right, let me go over here before I bust my ass. Come on, dog. Go. Up. All right, see you later. Ugh.
I don't understand it. It's all red right there.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. That looks like, did it scratch up against something?
Oh no, I caught him right next to the dam.
Hold it up nice and long. That's nice.
There.
Good job.
That's all of what? Maybe 12 inches.
That's all right. Bass nonetheless. That's awesome. Yeah, we're gonna try down here for a little while. Right, King?
Then we'll release this baby.
All right. Now, you want to go home? All right, I'll see you guys later. Today was a little different. I went freshwater and saltwater. After the beach, I went fishing at the bypass canal and caught me a nice little hog. So I was there with my brother and my sister-in-law, Eve, Fish-A-Lots, and we had a good time. She caught a couple pigs. She almost caught a nice bowfin. It's called mudfish. bottles, single diff. But it was a good day. So I did a freshwater and saltwater challenge today. So I'm going to be doing that for my next video as well. But I'm going to be a little bit more prepared and try to get bait and all that good stuff. So thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe. Don't forget. And that's it. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.